Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albrecht Autoland North, we have the 2019 Porsche Cayenne S with an aftermarket exhaust, which so far just drove this around to get it here. It sounds incredible. This spec is also incredible. White over red, you can't go wrong. Tons of carbon fiber options. This car is loaded. I've spent a lot of time in a base Cayenne, and I've driven the GTS, I've driven a bunch of different Cayennes, but not one with an exhaust on it. So, I will say it is very, very loud. You know what? My watch kind of matches this spec. I'm left-handed, that's why it's on the right. But the red, ooh, that is pretty close. That is close. Yeah, it sounds good. Okay, okay. What a car. And this is not a PDK. This is Porsche's torque converter automatic. But it's still very, very good. Exhaust so loud, but it sounds so good. I want to say it's AWE. I think that's what it is. Again, I'm driving like 8 cars today. I didn't sit there and say, all right, this car has this exact, because either way I'd forget. So I didn't even think this thing had an exhaust on it, to be honest with you. No big burbles or anything like that. You obviously heard the upshift noises. You'll get some cracks on downshifts, but nothing too crazy. What a nice car. I love this carbon wheel. This is a pretty highly optioned S. You know, this isn't a base spec by any means. Like I said, that red leather is the exact shade of my watch, so it's almost fitting. Well, that sucks. Hey, SVT Lightning. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.